Hi, welcome to Schoginitoys. Today we are going to build our next project, that is a street light. Very nice looking street light. Let's see what all we need. So we need black paper, chart paper. You get it in this size, A4 size, or you get a chart paper and cut a size like this, which is the size of a normal A4 sheet. Okay, now for this street light, we need railings on the two sides and one middle divider. Now for that, a PVC electrical casing, which you can easily get from any electrical shop. So for this we need 3 pieces. Length should be equal to the A4 paper that we are using. If you are using a longer paper, you can get PVC pipe according to the length that you are using. Then what we will do is we will use black electrical tape and stick like this to mark the paint. I've already done that. I will show you. And in order for the street light, we need an ordinary paper straw like this, which can be bent, and we need a white LEDs. So you can ask any electronic shop to connect the LED to a wire like this, 2 wires. They will easily do it for you. Okay, otherwise you can request your parents to get this LED connected for you. Okay, this is the only thing that you need to get it done. But this is how the street light looks. Now after that, on the PVC, we have made holes and attached slightly bigger straws like this, so that the straws can be inserted easily like this. Okay, so now the completed assembly looks like this. Okay, so we have already attached the dividers, which are having the black tape stuck to it. So 3 such dividers, and then within the rod we have stuck white paper like this. So this is just to give you an idea of how a road can be made. You can make it better looking using your own ideas as well. Okay, so now all these LEDs, they all have 2 wires coming down. Now all those wires are joined together, and finally we have 2 wires coming out of this central PVC casing. Now in order to connect this, we need a 9-volt battery. These LEDs already have protection resistor 1 kilo ohm connected in series to it, so we can connect them to a 9-volt battery. Now in order to make the connection easy, we will need a connector also like this. You can get it easily from any electronic shop. Okay, so I will connect the LED wires to the 9-volt connector, and I will connect the battery. You will notice that the light comes on. Let's switch off the other lights. We will also place some small toy cards in there. So here is our finished street light. Let's connect the power. Let me switch off the lights. Okay, so this is how it looks. So this is a very nice project which you can easily make at home and present it as an exhibit for your school science projects. At Schoginitoys, we also make similar ready-to-build kits which are available in Amazon, and the link is provided in the description. We have an automated street light where when light becomes dim, street lights come on. For that, you need a small electronic circuit. We offer these circuits as small modules which you can easily connect. Perfect. Please do like, share, and comment. See you again with another project like this which you can easily build. Best wishes.